Welcome to our channel. Discovering music video content on Fire Stick means knowing which services offer the best selection legally. Follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Install YouTube, which has the world's largest collection of music videos. Nearly every music video ever made is available for free. Step 2. Try Vevo, which is dedicated entirely to official music videos from major record labels. It's free and available in the Amazon App Store. Step 3. Subscribe to Apple Music or Amazon Music Unlimited. Both include access to official music videos alongside their audio streaming. Step 4. Check out MTV and VH1 apps if you have cable authentication. Both networks still air music videos and make them available on demand. Step 5. Install TikTok on Fire Stick to watch short-form music content and viral music videos from creators worldwide. Step 6. Try music-focused channels on Pluto TV. Several 24/7 channels play music videos in specific genres like hip-hop, rock, or Latin music. Step 7. Explore YouTube Music, which focuses on music content and includes official videos, live performances, and covers. Step 8. For concert films and live performances, check services like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, or Kello Concerts. Legal music video access is abundant and free. Never use apps promising unlocked music video libraries, as these are unnecessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.